What it do, YouTube? This is Mama 23, no matter what. Talking about the PS5 rumors, 30 days. All you gotta do is you got a PS5 Pro or digital PS5. Buy the disc drive. PS5 Pro, buy the disc drive or use your PS5. Just buy this. I'm going to pick it up Friday, the PS5 Pro disc drive. So I ain't gonna worry about the digital games no more. So I can play all the games disc now. By buying disc games, it help y'all. Yeah, the disc drive for the PS5 Pro, you got digital. Get a disc, pay your PS5 disc drive. So hit the subscribe button below. I'm just telling y'all, peace out, YouTube. One.